Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use DALL-E 3 in ChatGPT for AI image generation. So basically, all you need to do here is create an account and then create a prompt for DALL-E, and it will also generate an image for you like ChatGPT. So basically, DALL-E is built into ChatGPT for accounts that have image generation enabled. So with it, you can generate images from text prompts, edit existing images, and use in painting. All you have to do is to create an account here. Same as in ChatGPT, you have your option. For me, the easiest is just connect to your Google account, and this is what it looks like. So in your DALL-E account or dashboard, you just have to simply go to the text box or empty text box right here. And then you can just basically use their tools. You can see it right here or add a prompt. Now take note if you're using ChatGPT free, GPT-4 mini, you may not see this DALL-E available. But if you're using or if you're on ChatGPT Plus, GPT-4 5 Pro models, DALL-E image generation is integrated directly. So this is my example of prompt right here. I just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and I can see also here styles if I want. And basically, this is the result. Now, the good thing about this DALL-E is that if you don't like the result, then you can ask for revision. You can even upload a picture or image, and then you can just remove, add, or change the style or object on that existing image. So as you can see, this is the result of the revision. You can save this one or you can ask for more. You can change the style. Everything is up to you. But basically, this is how easy it is to use DALL-E. In ChatGPT, all you need to do is add prompt and DALL-E will generate that image for you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.